In this video, I'll show you how to back up your WhatsApp chats on your iPhone to Google Drive. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like so others can find it. First, go to WhatsApp on your phone, then go to Settings on the bottom right. Once you're here, scroll down a little bit and tap on Chats. Once you're here, you're gonna see your recent chats and you're gonna select the one that you want to export to Google Drive. Now here, WhatsApp is going to ask you if you want to export the chat with or without media, so select the one that you need. Just in case, if you need all the photos, documents, and videos, go ahead and select attach media. Now it's gonna take a little bit to export the chat. Now this will open up the following screen that you see right here, and what you're gonna do is scroll to the right to see all your apps. In case you don't see the Google Drive app, just go ahead and tap on more, scroll down, and then select Drive. Now here you will see in which Google account your chat is going to be exported. In case you want to use another Gmail that you have open on your phone, just go ahead and click right here and select the email that you want to use. You can also select the folder where you want the chat to be saved to, and in case you want to share it with someone else, you can also do that and just type in the email of that person. Once everything is done, just go ahead and tap on upload right here at the top, and as you can see, if I open up Google Drive and head to the folder where I exported my chat, I'm gonna find it right here. Hope that helps.